My name is Chishomyo Munyama, and I'm the founder of Nativity Gamebox Studio. Nativity Gamebox is a pioneering Zambian indie game development and education technology initiative, and our mission is to leverage the power of game development in order to educate, to empower, and also to equip our youths with modern tech skills, while simultaneously also preserving our Zambian culture and heritage through digital experiences. At Nativity Gamebox, we operate at the unique intersection of education primarily, technology, and tourism. And our venture helps solve two important challenges, one being the skills gap among African youths, and also the underrepresentation of African narratives in global media. Our experience with FasterCapital has been nothing but splendid thus far. Yeah, their communication has been brilliant. They've always kept us updated on how the process was going, and we've had a general overall wonderful experience with them.